Hi students, my name is Sudesh Narashet. I am from Mandavara. So last class we discussed about a topic from 8th standard, that is construction of quadrilateral. So in construction of quadrilateral we already discussed about two cases, that is when four sides and one diagonal is given and when two diagonals and three sides are given. So let us move on to the next topic, that is construction of squares. So square we already know that is in that all the angles are equal and all the sides are equal here. So let us move on to the case, that is construction of a square. Construction of squares. Yes. So compared to the previous cases, that is we are taking some of the procedures. We are following some of the procedures. Likewise here only. So we have to go through the procedure. Firstly we have to take the procedure. After simultaneously we have to construct a square. So let us take some of the examples and go with the procedure and construct a square. That is, so here we have to construct a square of side 5 centimeter. That is, the question is like this, that is construct a square of side 5 centimeter. Yes. So that means, so here 5 centimeter is same for all the sides. All the sides having a length of 5 centimeter. So you can take any side for that. When we are constructing a square, you can take any side. So firstly we have to start. So what we have to do? So same procedure. First procedure is same. So firstly what we have to do? We have to draw a rough sketch for that. So here, what is the procedure? Draw a rough sketch. First one, draw a rough sketch for visualizing required square. Yes. So then what we have to do? So just draw a rough sketch. Here I will draw a rough sketch. So here I think it's a square, so I will write any other quadrilateral for that. Yes. So when square means all the angles are equal, so that means I wrote that as 90 degree and all the sides are equal. It's a rough sketch. So here I will take A, B, C, D. So that means what? AB is equal to, BC is equal to, CD is equal to, AD is equal to, all the sides are equal to 5 centimeter only. That's why we have to write 5 centimeter here. Yes, 5 centimeter. And here it's also 5 centimeter. And all the angles are 90 degree. So here it shows 90 degree. So this is about labeling the diagram. So here we label the rough sketch. So after that what we have to do? So go with the procedure. Firstly what we have to do means, so firstly we have to draw the base of that square. That means here what is the base here? AB. So firstly we have to draw the base of that square. Draw a base of square of required length. Yes. Here firstly we have to draw a square of length 5 centimeter. So here it is. Here I will draw here. It's a 5 centimeter length. Yes. Then after that we have to label it one. It is AB. It is a 5 centimeter. So firstly what we have to do, so just draw a base of a square of required length. After that we have to draw a vertical lines. So vertical lines means it's having an angle of 90 degree. So here the third step is draw a vertical line of angle 90 degree in both the sides of the base, both the sides of base or both the ends of base, both ends of base, both ends of base. So here we have to draw a vertical line of angle 90 degree in both ends of the base. Here what are the ends of this base? A and B are the ends of this base. So we have to draw a vertical line of angle 90 degree only. So how to draw a vertical line? So using a protractor, the angle protractor, you have to draw 90 degree here. Yes, just here. So it is 90 degree. So here we have to mark this point. Then here also, in both the ends also we have to draw a vertical line. Yes. So from A also we have to take a 90 degree. Here it is 90 degree. So we have to mark those points. Then we have to take a vertical line. So here we have to draw a vertical line here. Yes. Passing through this point. So just passing through. Yes. Here it is point. So it's two are the vertical lines. So then what you have to do, take a length of 5 cm or take a length of required side and cut those lines, cut that vertical line using a compass. That is, so the fourth step is take a length of side and cut the vertical line from the compass. Yes. So here what you have to do, so we have a side of 5 cm. So in square means all the sides are equal. Here what is the length of each sides is 5 cm. Take a length of 5 cm here. Yes. Take a length of 5 cm in the compass. Then just locate on required point. So here just locate on point B and cut the vertical line. Then here we have to locate on required point and cut this vertical line. Yes. So it is like this. So when you are extending, then it is okay. So that means here where the point. So here the point of required length, that is 5 cm. So we have to label those points here. It is C and it is D. Then what you have to do? So join all the points, all the sides. Then join all the required sides. All the required sides. Yes. So here we have to join CD. So after that we have to label all the things. That is, it's a 5 cm and also it's a 5 cm and it is also having 5 cm. So all the angles inside the square also having 90 degree. Yes. So this completes the procedure to draw a square. So this is about how to draw a square of required side. So here what we have to do is we have to go through the procedure and try to take all the procedure for constructing a square here. Okay, so I will explain another time. So firstly what we have to do, so we have to firstly write the base, draw a base. After that, from the both ends we have to draw a vertical line with the help of a protractor. After that we have to cut those required vertical lines, with the help of a compass, and after that we have to join all the sides, and after that we have to label all the things in the square. So let us take another example. Here I will take the same square. So construct a square of side 7 cm. So here also we have to go with the procedure. So firstly what I have to do, so just draw the rough sketch here. So here I will take the PQRS square. All the length of sides are equal only. So here it is 7 cm, here also it is 7 cm, here also it is 7 cm, and here also it is 7 cm. That is PQ is equal to QR is equal to SR is equal to SP is equal to 7 cm only. So after that what I have to do, so just draw a base here. So here what is the base here? PQ. PQ is the base. It's of having length 7 cm. Just draw it. So here I will draw a base having a length of 7 cm. Yes. So having 7 cm PQ. Yes. Then what we have to do? So just draw a vertical lines in the both the ends of a base here. So here firstly we have to take, yes, so like this. So here you have to take a vertical line. So here, yes, so it's a 90 degree, and from P also you have to take a vertical line, draw a vertical line. Yes, here like this. It's also a 90 degree. So then draw a vertical lines from both the ends. Yes. So extend. Here we have to draw a vertical lines. Yes. Extend up to some distance. Like that. Then what you have to do, take a length of each sides. Take a length of each sides and then cut the vertical line from the required point. So here we have to take the 7 cm. That's why. So I will take the 7 cm here. So like this. Yes. Then locate on the point. Yes, here it is. So for that we have to like that. So you can easily cut the point. That is, it's up. So just take that length 7 cm here. Yes, it's of 7 cm. Then lock it on the required point and then cut the vertical line. Then here also we have to take the 7 cm. So it's having 7 cm of length. Then lock it on the point P and then cut the vertical line. So after that what we do, just label the point, that is it's a QR, R it is. So then here it is PS. So that's why we have to take the length S here. After that join all the sides. Here we have to join all the sides. So it's complete. Yes. So this is a square of required length here. So after that what you have to do, so you have to label all the things it's of 7 centimeter. It's also having 7 centimeter. So the length of PS is also 7 centimeter. Then all the angles inside the square is 90 degree only. So here the procedure is completed. So this is about constructing a square of required side here. So you can take any example, you can take any sides, length of any sides, so you can draw a square like this. So go through the procedure and try to draw a square. So I hope you enjoyed this one. So those who are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. You can get the notification easily. So thank you one and all. Be safe and stay home. Thank you.